Hi everyone, we're going to find the limit as x approaches 0 of f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 minus x divided by x. And this is when f of x equals x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus x plus 3. So the first thing we're going to do is look at our definition of the derivative given here, because it has this form. All right, and in this form, if I just look at this piece, my x would equal 1, and this would be like your x plus h, and your x would be the h. So let's simplify this. Using this formula, we can write, and I'm just going to look at this first part, f of 1 plus x divided by x. Basically, I have two separate problems. So we're going to write this as the limit as x approaches 0 of f of 1 plus x minus f of x. And our x again is 1. And then just divide by x. So that's for this part. Now let's do this part right here. I'm going to just move it down here. So it's going to be the limit as x approaches 0. And then we're going to have negative f of 1 minus x minus f of 1. So the same thing, we just have 1 minus x there. All right, I can rewrite this part here because of this negative. And if you negate everything, this is going to turn to positive, and this will turn to negative. So I can rewrite this as the limit as x approaches 0 of f of 1 minus f of 1 minus x divided by x. All right, now this is what I want to do. I'm going to put all this together because it's all together here and put it all together. So let's do that. If I put it all together, I'm going to get the limit as x approaches 0 of f of 1 plus x minus f of 1, forgot the parentheses, divided by x minus, and I'm still splitting it up a little bit, f of 1 minus x minus f of 1 divided by x. Now, this is your derivative right here. Do you see how our x's match? This one, it's not matched up because we have a negative x here and we have a positive x here. So what I'm going to do is multiply the numerator by negative 1 and also the denominator. If I multiply the denominator by negative 1, I'm going to get negative x. But that means I have to multiply the numerator by negative 1. So from there, it matches up. I have a negative x here and I have a negative x here. So this right here equals f prime of x. And our x again was 1. So we're going to have f prime of 1 minus f prime of 1. That's for this piece. Times negative 1. All right, this is going to give me f prime of 1 plus f prime of 1, which equals 2 times f prime of 1. So from here, what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the derivative of this. So I'm going to take f, let's do this in a different color, f prime of x. So you take this derivative, this is going to equal 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 1. So now I want to do f prime of 1. So that's going to be 4 times 1 minus 6 times 1 squared, oh that's cubed, plus 1. This equals negative 1. Now going back to this, our limit's going to be 2 times f prime of 1, which is going to be 2 times negative 1. And therefore our limit is negative 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.